Hey you guys, I'm taking a break, eating me some bacon. So how's your morning? Man, it's going well so far. I'm gonna put the TV on mute. Hold on. I'm gonna take this scarf off. Ben's over there asleep, so I know how to stay asleep while I eat. So it's my grits, you guys. I got cheese in them, butter, and seasoned black pepper. See? So I got my coffee on deck. And here comes Binks. I knew it. That girl got a nose on her. You can feed her food. She don't want that. She'll eat it. Then she'll come and you want yours. Hash brown good. I got these hash browns from Kroger's. I remember used to get 10 in a little pack about like this. Be like, I think it was $129, $149. Now they $3.29 a bag. I opened some applesauce. Something sweet. I ain't doing nothing, but after I finish this, I gotta go through my newspaper and look at my coupon. And that's about it. Straighten up my kitchen, then I'm gonna put my Sunday dinner on. Alright. Can't get in my lap. Girl. You can grunt all you want to. I was looking out my window this morning, you guys. I seen the lady yesterday. She had a bike, but she was pushing it. And I didn't think nothing about it. I said, well, maybe that's her child bike, and she's coming to pick it up somewhere and take it home. And I saw her this morning. She's trying to teach herself how to ride a bike. Because she would get on it, she would try to hold it, then the bike, then she'd put her feet down, then she'd try again. And she probably in her 50s. And that just goes to show you, you're never too old to learn. And she'll get it. I was watching her, I said, eventually she'll get it. But, that's kudos to her. Because you got that mindset that you're never too old. Because some people would be, oh, you too old for this, you too old for that. Because people try to tell me that. And those type of people, I don't deal with them. Them people negative, I don't like negative people. I don't think nobody do, but my goodness. Some people just miserable. So I had to watch Binks because I have on like this dress with my bare legs and hurting them nails. Get down, Binks. So want some bacon? Okay. You up here? She done climbed her way up here, y'all. I don't think I'll be able to see her head. See that little head right there? So, I'm about done. I didn't finish. And put my applesauce in the refrigerator to get cold. Okay, you guys. So, I thank you for watching and just spending a little of your morning with me. Breakfast while I chit chat. And you guys, you all be safe back there and watch your back. And I will be chatting with you guys later. Bye-bye for now.